So PopPop, we've had a question as to why you chose the name PopPop's Workshop rather than like Tony's Wood Shop or something.
Well, that's fair. Because that's what it is. The grandkids have, since the first one 14 years ago. Wow. 14 years ago, that was what we were, PopPop and Nana. So it's PopPop's Workshop because they come in, they help, they tinker. I wanted it to be a space where they could have fun, but at the same time, it's who I am at this point in life. You know, I used to be their parents' dad, or I'm your husband, or I'm somebody's son. But through the stages of life, we change who we are. And at this point in my life, I am PopPop. And I was thinking about the question, why it's PopPop's Workshop. Another thing is, at least with the youngest daughter, if something breaks and one of the kids is, upset that they've broken a toy or a picture or whatever it is, her initial response is, PopPop will fix it. So I've got the workshop, and it's nice to be able to be PopPop in the workshop. So that aspect really fits with what we do. We're trying to run a business. We're trying to, do some social media and show, what it's like to work with limitations. But the one limitation I don't ever want is that I can help those little babies by fixing something that's broken in their life. So, final thoughts on PopPop's Workshop, right? As of right now, final thoughts. Could be more later. Who knows? I love being PopPop. It's nice to know that I can make things for the grandkids, make things for the kids, make things for the wife. Would I like to have a big thriving business doing this? Sure. But if it never goes any further than this is PopPop's Workshop for the sake of the babies and Nana, then I have accomplished something with my life. So if you're a PopPop or a grandpa or a pawpaw or whatever they call you, I'm sure you can relate. It is a joy, sometimes a terror, but always unexpected. So hopefully you've enjoyed my musings about PopPop's Workshop. And remember, you can do this.